Good morning, children. Today we are going to new topic, that is reproduction in animals. Okay, in our surroundings living things and non-living things are there. You know what are the differentiate between living and non-living things? Living things can grow, living things can breathe. Yes, living thing can reproduce. Okay, children, but non-living things cannot reproduce. Okay, so here an organism to produce new generation of individuals of the same species, it is called reproduction. Okay, children, once again, reproduction, an organism to produce a new generation of individuals of the same species or same kind of animals or another living beings. It is called reproduction. Okay, children, here if you take some examples, for example, human beings produce human beings only. The human beings cannot produce another species. In the same way, lion produce baby lion only. Lion cannot produce tigers. Plant species also same. The banana plant produce banana plants only. This is called reproduction. Okay, children? Right. Next, animals can live happily their throughout life by eating, growing, and moving around. But if they do not reproduce, they won't have anything to show for happy life in the future. Their species will quickly die out. Okay, that is the reason reproduction is very important in every organism. Okay, all living organisms reproduce. Human babies develop within their mother for 9 months before they are born. They grow into children, after that adolescent age, and after that adults. These are the stages in human beings. What are the stages, children? First stage, children stage, and next adolescent age, and after adults age. Right? The different species of living organisms die due to various reasons, old age and diseases, accident cases. Okay, so that to ensure the continuity of the species, reproduction is very, very important in all organisms. Okay, children. So reproduction in a species will carry out two main functions. How many? Two main functions. One is replace those species that die. Once again, the replace those species that die. And second one is allow an increase in total number of the species. Increase the total number of the species under suitable conditions. Okay, children, these are the two main functions in reproduction. Okay, next, types of reproduction. Okay, animals can reproduce through the following two ways. One is reproduction by giving birth to young ones. This is called Oviparous. Second one, reproduction by laying eggs. This is called Oviparous. Okay, children, here Oviparous means we can observe in our surroundings animals give birth to young ones. This process is called Oviparous. And second one, Oviparous. Oviparous means we observe number of birds laying eggs. This process is called oviparous. Right, children? How many ways are there? Two ways. One is viviparous. Viviparous examples, all animals and human beings. Next, oviparous example, all birds and reptiles. Reptiles means snakes, lizards, tortoise, okay, and amphibians and fishes. Okay, children. Now let us going to discuss about animals that give birth to babies. That is also called viviparous. Okay, children. So now some animals do not lay eggs. They reproduce by giving birth to young babies that feed on their mother's milk. Such animals are called mammals. What is that? Mammals. So the mammals have very well developed brains. Most mammals have hair on their bodies. For example, dog, cat, lion, elephants, deer, cow, buffalo, monkey, and rabbits are some common examples of mammals. Okay, children. So whale and dolphins are mammals. The whales and dolphins are found in water. These are called aquatic animals, but they do not have hair on their body. Animals such as humans, lions, tigers, cows give birth to babies. The babies are formed inside the body of the mother. They stay inside for several weeks and are then born. When the babies are born, they are weak and helpless. Their mothers care for them and protect them till they learn to look after themselves. They feed their babies with their own milk. Such animals are called mammals. Next, another reproduction way, that is animals that lay eggs. This is called oviparous. Okay, so in this process the birds make nest to lay eggs. The female birds only lay eggs. Okay, children. So here we can observe structure of an egg. You can say, children, some birds names. Hens, parrots, ducks. Okay, these all birds laying eggs. Okay, children. So now you observe structure of an egg in this picture. Okay, children. See here, the egg it is white color shells. In the center is a yellow portion. It is called yolk. Y-O-L-K, yolk. In the center of is a yellow portion is called yolk. Y-O-L-K, yolk. It contains the developing baby called the embryo. E-M-B-R-Y-O, embryo. The yolk contains the developing baby. It is called embryo. Okay, children. Egg inside yellow color portion is there. Okay, the yellow color portion, it is called yolk. It contains the developing baby. It is called embryo. Next, it also contains food for the embryo. The yolk surrounding, it is a white portion is there. The white portion of egg, it is called albumin. What is that? Albumin. A-L-B-U-M-E-N, albumin. The white portion of the egg, it is called albumin. The albumin protects the embryo and provides water to it. Okay, children. The egg contain how many parts are there? 2 parts. One is yellow color portion. Second one is white color portion. The yellow color portion, it is called yolk. and the white color portion, it is called albumin. The egg covered by egg shells. Okay children, the white color egg shells. Right? How many portions are there? The eggs contain two portions mainly, the white portion and second one is yolk. Yolk means yellow color portion. Yolk where it is present? The yolk, it is present in center of the egg. Center of the egg. What is the main function of yolk? The yolk, it contains food for the embryo. It's provide food for the embryo. Okay children. Right. Next, white color portion. The white portion, it is also called albumin. The albumin, what is the main function of albumin? It protects the embryo and provides water to it. Okay, this is the egg structure. Okay children, once again I recall, egg structure is very important. The egg structure. The egg contain mainly two parts, that is yellow color portion and white color portion. Yellow color portion, it is called yolk, and white color portion, it is called albumin. Okay children. Right. After the eggs are laid, one of the parent bird, especially mother parent, usually sits on them to keep them warm. This habit of some birds to keep their eggs warm is known as incubation. Once again, incubation also very important question. What is called incubation? Incubation, this means some birds to keep their eggs warm is known as incubation. The baby birds start growing inside the egg. This picture I given below, once you observe carefully. Okay children? Okay, right. The baby birds start growing inside the eggs. After a few weeks, when the baby birds are fully developed, they break open the shells and comes out. This is called hatching. This is also one more question. What is called hatching? What is called hatching? See here answer. When the baby birds are fully developed, they break open the shells and slowly come out. This is called hatching. The parent birds feed and protect the young birds until they can look after themselves. Okay, so this is the another way of reproduction. What is that? Oviparous. Okay children. Okay, once again I recall this lesson. Okay, listen. Reproduction. What is called reproduction? An organism to produce a new generation of individuals of the same species or same kind. It is called reproduction. For example, human beings produce human beings, and lion produce the baby lion, and banana plant produce banana plant. It is called reproduction. Okay. And next, how many ways are there in reproduction? The reproduction ways are two. One is giving birth to young ones, and second one is laying eggs. Giving birth to young ones, this reproduction is called viviparous. Viviparous example, all animals and human beings. And laying eggs, this is called oviparous. Oviparous examples, snakes, tortoise, crocodiles. These are the examples of laying eggs. Next, in this lesson, we discussed about giving birth to babies. Which animals are giving birth to babies? Okay, such animals are dog, cat, lion, elephant, cows and buffaloes. And next topic, which animals that lay eggs? Some birds, what are the names? Some birds names: hens, parrots, ducks, etc. So, and structure of an egg, that also we discussed. Okay, you know already, white color portion it is called albumin and yellow color portion it is called yolk. Okay, this is the structure of an egg. And another question, incubation. What is called incubation? Some birds to keep their eggs warm is known as incubation. Okay children, and next question is hatching. What is called hatching? When the baby birds are fully developed, they break open the shells and comes out. This is called hatching. Okay, so this is the main questions in this lesson. Okay children.